Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 3, where we will learn how to add markers to visualize and create the perfect timing for your animations. Before I start, I'm just going to play a preview of the captions I did that everyone should have so far.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
As you can see, I have around 4 keyframes here indicating the text change. Yours should be exactly or as close as we have in this lesson. Now, we will add some markers to know when we should transition in and transition out our animations. Markers help to create a good flow in our animations. You can find the marker button here. There are 2 ways of applying markers in your timeline. First, by left-clicking, and when you do this, it will add a marker right where your time indicator is placed. The second way is to left-click and drag the marker to where you exactly want it to be. Both ways will work, but I prefer the second way. Let's delete these samples here before adding the new markers. To do this, just right-click on the actual marker and then delete it. Now, we could have 4 animation sequences here. The first sequence is where we animate the word history. Then, the next one would be future, which is a mystery. The third one is today, which is a gift. Lastly, to conclude the animation, we will animate something here to symbolize the word present. Through these markers, we can pinpoint exactly when to start and end each animation, even without the keyframes being open. That's all, and see you in the next chapter.